So guys, on this video I'm basically going to be talking about I'm basically going to show you what the predictions we did on Sunday, what the market will be going to be doing during the week, or what it will be going to be doing on Monday. I'm showing it today because some of the moves, uh, most of them actually they happened today, which is Tuesday, right? But I was supposed to put the video whilst whilst it was the same video, whilst they were in one video, the Sunday analysis and the Tuesday day trading, like from entry up to exit. They were supposed to be a single video, but because of the time or the length of the video, I didn't want it to be so long. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's get straight into the video. So guys, these were just basically the moves that I was talking about. This was gold. We were supposed to trade for gold, GBPJPY, GBPCAD, and USDJPY. The other pairs we did not see opportunity. It's not like we do not see opportunity, but I usually like to concentrate on 4 out of the 7 pairs I trade. So this is what was happening at gold, and we entered there. People had their huge profits, and then on GBPJPY they entered here and we closed here because we are not swing traders. By 8 p.m. all our positions will be closed, right? GBPCAD, it did not come back to retest the area which we were looking for, the break and retest area, as well as the round psychological level. It did not come and retest it. It just went straight down after breaking and retesting the trend line there. It just went straight down after breaking and retest. It just went straight down. It did not give us opportunity to enter. But if we were on the markets by this time, after seeing the retest of the trend line, we could have captured this move. But it's okay, that's how the markets are. It's not every day you capture like everything, like you don't get in every move. Some moves you miss them, and some opportunities will be the best opportunity for that whole month or for that whole week. But that's how the markets are. You just have to be patient for the other move to come back. And USDJPY, it did not come to the area again. It just reacted on the round psychological level and started going up. So 2 of them have cooked so far, and one, it went in the direction but did not go to the area, and the other one, it still hasn't gotten to the area. So in direction wise, our analysis was correct, but 2 of the graphs, yes. Anyways, you shall all see it on the video which I recorded on Sunday analysis. I called when I was saying it will be reacting in a consolidation zone, like this zone. There will be a parallel channel. You shall see it on the video. So basically everyone just ate today. They were enjoying their profits. It's still a growing community, you know. It was supposed to be launched on the 1st of November. Because of the pressure was being given on Facebook, people would see me putting my history, my live trades and what on my stories and my posts on Facebook, and they'll say, can you teach us? And I said, okay, let me just create a free Telegram channel and free WhatsApp group so that I can teach everyone who wants. And that's what basically I'm now doing. And while teaching, I see no problem in someone learning while they are earning. So I give these free signals in my Telegram group. It's for free, and here is where we do all the analysis, right? The other group is for analysis and serious stock only, analysis and serious stock. So it's opening, like the official launching is on the 11th, right, on the 11th of October, which is about 2 to 3 days from now. And here's the WhatsApp group also, the WhatsApp group, like, so you see this is the free signals group, right? I will be telling them everything, when to enter, when to exit. Right. And signals just started pouring today. Today is the 8th, it's supposed to be open on the 11th, but we just started pouring them today. And this is the group for teaching and analysis. See, it's not only me who will be posting in this group. Also, you have our manager giving some free advice, some information, some very valuable information, right? And that's all about the. So let's get straight into the Sunday's video. Market analysis. We are starting on gold. Gold is a strong area of consolidation between the 2670 price action and the 2640 price action. Like, there's a huge consolidation here. If we are to draw our parallel lines from 2670 up to 2640, there was a main consolidation here. These are just breakouts. If we put the time frame in 4-hour time frame, we put our graph in 4-hour time frame, we just see that there are false breakouts to the downside and to the upside. But this is the main area of consolidation. So we are going to be following consolidation. I like following consolidations very much. I usually scalp them and load at the USDCAD. So in this area, right, in this area, we are going to be looking for the graph to simply go up on this one. Was on Monday there will be a lot of momentum. So when the price goes up on this one, right, if it gives us an entry signal, a candle, we are going to be selling it downwards. There are 300 pips from here, like from my psychological levels, there are 3 blocks. So there are 300 pips from here. And gold, I usually have a stop loss of 20 pips, which means I can easily gain 60 pips, right? If I have a stop loss of 50 pips, I can easily also gain 150 pips and still let the trade go. Then my next pair is GBPUSD. Now GBPUSD is giving me a funny shape. There is strong consolidation here. So on GBPUSD, I'm not considering any pattern which I'll be looking for. But when the London session progresses, we might have entry in the New York session. And then on my GBP, the next one is GBPJPY. On GBPJPY, there's a strong bullish trend. Like if we put our time frame in the 1-hour time frame, right, and draw our trend line, or if we use our mental market structure, you can see that it is following higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So on this GBPJPY, right, it usually likes strong pullbacks. It usually likes its, what do you call this, Fibonacci structures, right? I shall teach you on how to use all these instruments I'm just using right now. But for now, I'm just telling you our prediction so that when you are now alone, you can know when to enter. You see, this is the Fibonacci structure. If we remove it here and we put it here again, right, it did some breakouts, but at the Fibonacci area, that's where there was strong consolidation. And so from here, if it is going to pull back, we are looking for the next area where retraces a Fibonacci, right? It is this area. So I'll just draw my golden level. As I told you, I have many templates on these order blocks. Some of them I call them strong areas of demand and supply. Some are just simply break and retest, and some are the golden area or the retracement zone. So removing this one, I'll just lock this one. So if it doesn't come back to this area, right, we are looking for one possibility. Don't start selling saying let me see whilst I'm waiting for it to start buying. You should never try to be clever on the market. Just go for your own direction. Don't start selling saying since it's going to sell, then buy. Let me just get in a short sale. If you know that your analysis is a buy, just wait for your buy. You have to be patient in the market. And then the second entry we are going to be looking for is this strong psychological level, right? 194,500, a strong psychological level, right? That's how we are going to be entering. So at this golden area, at this psychological level, but in this pair, we are going to be having more of what? More of buys, right? So let me just edit this text, say long position, right? This is my bias on GBPJPY. Then my next GBP pair is GBPCAD. This is a strong sell. We have no trend lines, like we do not have a solid trend line we can draw. But if we put our graph in the bigger time frame, we see that there was a consolidation here, right? As the graph was going up, sellers tried to bring it down, and then the buyers gained momentum. Then when it reached that position again, it wanted to retrace down, but the buyers still had a few more volume, so that they just broke out. It was a fake breakout, and they created a head and shoulders in the 1 hour, right? They created a head and shoulders pattern in the 1 hour. Once the graph started reversing, was the head and shoulder pattern is a reversal pattern. So this is a strong sell. I'm looking for sales in this graph. So at any area of interest, psychological level 8, EMA retest, I'm going to be looking for sales. So one of my main areas which I want to be taking a sell is this area right here. It's a break and retest, so I'm just going to be putting the template there to be break and retest. So we see that we have this trend line, right? I think it's in the 4-hour time frame. We have this trend line. If it retests this trend line, right, this move is going to, if this move happens, it means the graph is going to leave without us, because we are going to be back on the markets in 11, let's just say in 8 hours from now. In 8 hours time, because it opens at 9 a.m., which is the European opening session. So if the graph leaves without us there, it's fine. That's how the markets are. We always have another opportunities, but I'm looking for a strong consolidation to this area, and then it will have consolidations, right? And then I'll sell from this area. I'm looking for it to have consolidations like these ones before I can start selling. Consolidations like these ones, then it will break out, then it will have a strong sell and a breakout, breaking the previous lower low, because this is creating now lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. This one did not create a lower low, it failed to create a lower low. So that's how my bias is. So on GBPCAD I have a sell bias, GBPJPY I have a buy bias. This graph is going to buy. Let me leave it there. Let me check another pair. You don't have to force things. You don't have to force things. This one is a strong buy. This one is a strong buy. I'm looking for it to come to this position. Why? This one is a strong buy. Why am I looking for it to come to this position? This is a strong area of demand and supply, right? If we put our order block here, it's an area of interest, a strong area of demand and supply right there. So when it comes back here, it will be retesting, and by coincidence, if we put our Fibonacci, when you now have more time using these things, you know, even without using it, you just know by looking that this is a golden area. You see, it coincided with the golden area. So it is a Fibonacci area as well as a break and retest zone. So this is a strong buy. When it pulls back to retest here, why do we not buy there? If we buy there, it is expensive. Where will we put our stop loss? It will be very far. So we have a loss with a lot of pips. So we like to buy on the pullbacks, right? Buy and sell on the pullbacks. Those are the sniper entries. And the next is USDCHF. This one I'm going to be updating you if I have any analysis. So far I don't have any analysis. So my pairs are USDJPY, GBPCAD, GBPJPY, and gold. Those are the 4 pairs I'm going to be looking at tomorrow. As I told you, every day I'll be looking at least 4 pairs out of my 7 pairs. So this is the trade analysis for tomorrow.